Hi, John here from RotacRepair.ca. What have I got here today? Well, it's one of those projects that just sort of keeps on going. So I replaced the engine on this trike. Everything was going very well. Went to do the run-up and I find now the temperature gauge doesn't work. So I check it, can I get a new temperature gauge? Nope. None available in Canada, none available in the US. Probably going to take a while, which means forever or never. So I got a automotive style coolant temperature gauge for it and installed it, and I calibrated it first in some hot water on a little camp stove to make sure that it worked properly. It does. When the water boils, it's 212 degrees, so that was great. Then I go to start it up again, and the primer pump is leaking. So there's gas coming out of the primer pump. Every time you pump the primer, gas comes in. Well, okay, we get a new one. Oh, no, sorry, no, can't do that. Aircraft doesn't have one until sometime in February, which to me, at this point in time, means probably never. So they're only worth like $30. They're not worth fixing because it takes longer to fix it, but what choice do I have? So I had to take the primer pump apart and replace the O-ring in it and put it all back together again. And now I have a primer that works and doesn't leak. Now I started it, and it did have a vibration in it when I first started it, realized the temperature gauge didn't work, so I got sidetracked with that a little bit. So here I am, before I run it again now, I have a working temperature gauge, and I have a primer pump that doesn't leak fuel. Now I want to come and check the propeller because, as I said, when I did run it briefly at about 2200, 2500 RPM, it was shaking pretty bad. Here we go. I don't know if you see the numbers. I have the GSC. This is a GSC ground adjustable, as you can see. I'm using their tool on it to tell me the degrees. I started at 0, the tool off of the hub, and on this blade I have 27 degrees. On this blade I have 20.5 degrees, and finally, just because we really want to shake things up, this one is at 19. So what do I have to do now? Now I have to refer to GSC's sheet. It's a 60-inch prop. It tells me on a 3-blade prop, this is a 262 E-box on this. Well, they don't list that, but 258 is as close as I'm going to come, because it goes 224, 258, or 3. So I'll go with the 258, and it should get me quite close. 60 by 40, so I want 40. So I go to the top half of the chart here, and I go across in the 40 line, and it tells me that I should be looking for 15 3/4 degrees, which would give me, according to their chart, 6,800. I don't want that much, so I'm going to go a little bit less than that. But I have no idea what this revved up to as it was before, but along with all the big shaking, I don't think it had a lot of RPM, so it probably was not even close to its full power band. I want to get this to run from about 6,250 to 6,500 is what I'd like on this trike. So anyway, just thought I'd let you know it's not always roses. Some of these projects just keep on giving and giving. But anyway, we persevere, we get the things done. The customer wants it back right so that he can just use it, and that's what he's going to get. It's just taking a little bit longer. Anyway, thanks for your time for watching today. I'll get this sorted out to get the right pitch on it, and then if nothing else happens that's unknown, the unknown unknowns, I'll do the run-in procedure on this engine, and then I'll call the customer, and I'm sure he'll be thrilled to get it back. After a couple of pitch adjustments, I got the propeller set exactly where I want it. I have 6,300 RPM wide open, right in the middle of what I was looking for. So I'm very happy with that. I've been completely over it. They're on their way to pick it up today, actually. And I'm thrilled that it's finished, and I'm happy with it, and I'm sure that they'll be just as happy with it when they get it back. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share all of those other things. Thanks so much. Have a good day now. Bye.